Imagine waking up one morning, knowing something invisible has ended. No explosions, no warnings, just a quiet truth spreading across the planet. No more children will ever be born. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever again. Humanity didn't die. It simply stopped continuing. Hospitals would be the first to notice. Maternity wards falling silent. No crying, no heartbeats on monitors. Doctors staring at empty rooms, confused. Something fundamental is missing, and no one knows why. Reproduction isn't just biology, it's momentum. When it stops, time begins to slow. Humanity is no longer moving forward. It's standing still, waiting to fade. Every year, the planet gets older, but nothing replaces what's lost. No new workers, no new thinkers, no new soldiers, no new dreamers. Only aging faces and empty futures. Schools close quietly. No announcements, no protests. Classrooms gather dust. Playgrounds rust. Laughter becomes a memory. Economies depend on replacement. Without new humans, systems crack. Pensions collapse. Healthcare overloads. Governments panic behind closed doors. No one is coming to take over. No mechanics, no farmers, no engineers. When current workers die, entire industries vanish. Technology doesn't maintain itself. Servers fail, satellites fall, power grids flicker, then die. Without young minds, innovation ends. Cities shrink, then hollow out. Skyscrapers become tombstones of ambition. Concrete remains, but purpose is gone. Humans retreat to simplicity. Small communities, farming, manual survival. Progress reverses slowly. Complex medicine collapses first. No specialists to replace specialists. Surgeries become rare. Diseases return. Life expectancy drops. Books rot. Data corrupts. Knowledge dies when no one is left to learn it. Human memory fades faster than buildings. Everyone knows the truth now. They are the final generation. Every birthday is a countdown. Every funeral, permanent. Hope disappears. Why build anything if no one inherits it? Depression becomes global. Faith explodes. People search for meaning, for blame, for miracles. Gods return everywhere. Governments collapse or become extreme. Some enforce breeding, others surrender control. Order fractures. Nature recovers fast. Forests reclaim cities. Animals return. The planet breathes again. Humanity becomes a rumor, a layer in the soil, a story Earth once told itself. The last humans grow old quietly. No wars, no future plans, just waiting. No dramatic ending, just silence, the last breath, and then nothing. Reproduction was never optional. It was survival. And the moment it stopped, humanity chose extinction.